Heaven by Marc Jacobs has done it again with another incredible collaboration, this time with the talented London-based designer Dilara Findikoglu. The latest campaign features an unrecognizable Gigi Hadid, bringing to life the ultimate grunge girl summer aesthetic. A nostalgic vision. Photographed by Alana O'herlihy and styled by Danielle Emerson, the campaign showcases Hadid in a series of Findikoglu's dream pieces. These outfits are inspired by her high school wardrobe, or at least, what she wished it looked like. When I was creating this collection, I had my high school years in mind, Findikoglu shared. I was listening to Avril Lavigne, Runaways, Bikini Kill, Girl School, and trying to find my identity. I wore metallic blue Marc Jacobs platforms, gothic Lolita dresses, and band t-shirts. Dream pieces with a personal touch. Findikoglu's collection is deeply personal, channeling her teenage self's fashion dreams. I wanted to create a skirt similar to my Topshop high school skirt. It was so short that my teacher called my mom and asked her to throw it away, which she eventually did, she recalls. One standout piece is a corset with a print illustrated by Sophie McElligott. It's a surreal interpretation of what Marie Antoinette's feast would look like, Findikoglu explains. This small wardrobe is really the dream wardrobe of my teenage self, and I want these to be dream pieces for all girls now. Explore the collection. The new campaign and collection are a nostalgic nod to the grunge era with a modern twist. Check out the incredible looks and head to the Heaven by Marc Jacobs website for a closer look. Whether you're reliving your high school fashion fantasies or discovering a new grunge-inspired style, this collaboration has something special for everyone.